Hello, today I have a Nikon MH-18a Battery Charger which is currently malfunctioning. The LED indicator only blinks one or two times when the battery is connected and it won't continue to charge the battery. Take out the battery and reconnect it again. It blinks for a couple of times and do the same thing. This scenario will continue when battery is not charging. This charger supports the Nikon's ENEL3 series batteries. Let's take it apart and look inside the charger. You should always find a professional technician to help with your malfunctioning electronic devices. Always remember to disconnect the AC power supply. Unscrew these two screws first. There are two plastic locks inside the housing. Please be careful not to damage those locks when you are prying it open. Please discharge the capacitors first to avoid an electric shock. Shorting the negative and positive end of the capacitor will do the trick. A visual inspection of the circuit board indicates a capacitor which has a bulge on top of it. A bloated capacitor, sign of malfunctioning capacitor which correspond to the symptoms of the device. Rely on my experience with electronics and will skip it and replace this 16 volt 470 microfarad capacitor. Take a quick snap of the circuit board which will help later to put the capacitor in the correct polarity. Desolder the bad capacitor. Put a new capacitor with correct polarity which is translated as negative side to negative and positive side to positive. Refer to your earlier photograph if you have forgot the negative and positive sides. Solder it back. Put the housing back together to avoid the electric shock. connect the charger to AC power supply and put the battery back on. It is a successful diagnose and repair job. LED is correctly blinking and battery is charging. Hope the video was informative and see you soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.